Alright guys, today we're going to be learning how to make an AA turret, or an anti-air turret, if you don't know what AA stands for. First thing you want to do, you want to grab your seat, place it down. Now, you want to grab your wheel, place it down. Make sure to get rid of the controls for it. Then, put a ice block down. So now that we have that, expand it out a bit. So now that we have that, disconnect those. Then build a little box. Then, yeah, just continue with your little box. Got that? You can make this out of any material, it doesn't really matter. But I'm just gonna paint that brown. Not brown, gray. And get as many cannons as you want. I prefer, put as many cannons as you want. Preferably put, depending on the size, is how many you can put. So for this one, we can put 3 rows of 5. Yes. Matter of fact, we can fit. Then select them with the wrench, or not wrench, screwdriver. Turn off aim, turn on the transparency. Why is that selected? Oh yeah, make sure to connect all of them. Why is this not working? F. Keep selecting all of them. Get all of them. Now that we have all that, you can add a scope. So it may look a bit weird. So it's gonna look like that. Wedge your camera in there. Look about like that. move them apart. It's not what I clicked. But anyway, you're gonna first take these two with the wrench, connect it, put S as forward, W is backwards because I don't know why, but that's how that works. And the bottom one as D, and then A. And disconnect the camera, reconnect it, and put it as E. Now, unanchor all of it. Go in. Oh, yeah. Make sure to turn the speed down to 1. No, 0.5. Oh yeah, the seat. Make the seat no collision. That's because of me. Move it back. So yeah, now we have. It's a good AA turret. You can face all the way down. You can even go upside down, kind of like this. It's weird. Oh yeah, I suck at aiming. But yeah, now you have yourself an AA turret. Extremely powerful. Good to put in bases, like I have my giant aerospace, which has a bunch of these. Oh yeah, and it's always this top little part that it focuses on. But yeah, that is the AA turret tutorial. Hooray! Okay, I don't want to be near that thing. That thing's pretty powerful.